The northern and central provinces can expect isolated thunderstorms and heavy rain with strong winds from May 29th to June 4th. The Meteorology and Hydrology Department of the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources has forecasts. Everyone is advised to keep track of weather forecasts through newspapers, radio, and television, or visit the Meteorology and Hydrology Department's Facebook page to prepare for extreme weather conditions if necessary. The northern and central provinces can expect isolated thunderstorms and heavy rain with strong winds from May 29th to June 4th. Means everyone should be prepared for weather extremes and keep tracks of forecasts, the department warns. Typhoon Mawar is moving across the Pacific Ocean and is projected to pass over northern areas of the Philippines but is unlikely to affect Laos. The northeast of Laos will see temperatures ranging from 19 to 33 degrees Celsius with thunderstorms and occasional strong winds forecast for Phong Sa-Li, Hua Pan, and Xiên Quang provinces. The northwest will be hotter with temperatures ranging from 21 to 39 degrees Celsius, accompanied by heavy rain and possible strong winds in Bokeo, Luang Nam Tha, Udom Sai, Sanyaburi, and Luang Prabang provinces. The central region will also have thunderstorms with strong winds and heavy rain showers expected in Vientiane, Bolikamsai, Kham Muan, and Savanakhet provinces. Temperatures will range from 22 to 38 degrees Celsius. Temperatures will be lower in Saisambun province at 18 to 32 degrees Celsius with isolated thunderstorms, light rain, and strong winds forecast. Salawan, Champasak, Sekong, and Atapu provinces can expect more hot weather with scattered showers, thunderstorms, and wind gusts. Temperatures will range from 24 to 39 degrees Celsius. Plateau areas will be cool in the mornings with isolated thunderstorms and strong winds and a temperature range of 17 to 30 degrees Celsius. In Vientiane, temperatures will range from 23 to 37 degrees Celsius with thunderstorms, showers, and wind gusts in the mix.